I'm going to use flexible garden wire here, and this is used here to make my frame, and I will be beginning by making few loops, and this will be the handle of the frame. So I'm starting with making that. Extending this wire initially will decide the length of the bouquet. I am making loops and tying it to the center, just like leaves coming out of a stem or a branch. So we got a loop here, we got a loop here. We're going to make another loop. I did not overlap, but you can overlap the loops. This will make the holes smaller so the flowers will not fall through. Think of it like a support for the flowers. So you can keep adding. So it's like a framework or like a backbone. Yeah?
No, it is like a backbone.
Can you see? That's my main handle of my flower. And then you can have things hanging onto it. You can keep it as just this much, or you can make it thicker or layered more here also. More layers. Or you can leave it as it is. Can you see?
Clever, yeah.
I'll actually leave it like this, but my flowers are small, so they'll fall through the holes. I'm going to add more wire. I'm now making smaller loops all throughout and over the bigger loops as another layer. Yeah, so this is a big one. This is a smaller loop. Can you see? It will be like half the size of this. Yeah, so that little flowers can sit. You have a nice network. So now the work goes easy. You can just put things and you can stick them with the glue gun, or you can support them first, whatever. And that's it for the frame. In this bouquet, I'm just using the flowers that I have made. I'm just using glue gun. Nowadays we have glue gun, it's not too costly. And what flowers should I put in the middle? So shall I just go like that?
Yeah, usually people put leaves first, isn't it?
I used to do that before, yeah. But now you can see I've stuck the leaves to some of the flowers instead of adding leaves separately. See what colors you like. I think that color there will be nice. I'm generally trying to arrange the bigger roses towards the center and the smaller ones cascading down the bouquet. So I've just got some bows and things put in there.
You know what? This is keeping it like crafty shabby chic. However, these silk ones are making it look really fancy.
Oh, it's got like a...
So it's like balancing each other out really nicely.
Yeah. I'm going to be adding more flowers like lilies, fillers, leaves, ribbons, etc. in my next video. But you could end it here if you choose to. The wires can be easily tucked in if you want. You could also add foliage.